Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This job lead is going to be non-phone data entry. I am sharing because it seemed easy enough. You'll be reviewing recipes and doing a little bit of data entry around that. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And real quickly, just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, just trying to help you find the best work from home jobs available. So please make sure you are doing your own research before giving any of your personal information to any of these companies. With that being said, today's job lead is from a parent company called Intellectual Ventures. Now, I hope I can explain this clearly. The parent company is Intellectual Ventures. They have 191 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They own many smaller different companies. One of the smaller companies they own is Modernist Cuisine. Now, I think this is a relatively newer company that they have started, and so therefore they don't have any reviews under that smaller company name at this time on Glassdoor. But Intellectual Ventures, it says, is a global invention and investment business. So they invest in other smaller companies. They are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is a part-time and full-time. We'll get into that in just a second. On a contract 1099 basis for their Modernist Cuisine company. They're basically looking for somebody to join their team on a journey to better understand food and cooking. In addition to Modern Cuisine's primary research, they're interested in analyzing recipes from around the world. They have a library of books, and they're also pulling recipes from blogs and cooking websites. So they're looking for somebody to participate in the effort to correctly capture those recipes from the books, blogs, and cooking recipes. Now, it says this is a part-time contract role, but then it says working up to 40 hours per week. I consider 40 hours per week full-time, but because it is a contract basis, it doesn't come with any benefits, so I don't know if that's why they consider it part-time, or if they both have part-time and full-time available. They are taking applications within all of the United States with no state restrictions, but the basis is you'll be reviewing and editing recipes automatically captured by their data extraction tools, making sure the recipe data is correctly captured and correct any errors if needed, and fully stored in the database. You'll assist in extracting additional online recipes and converting them into different file formats as needed, and you'll collect any additional required culinary information that's available online. So you're basically going to be pulling these recipes and entering them, or making sure they are entered correctly into the system. Now, they are not requiring any kind of degree for this position. They want somebody who is focused, comfortable with repetitive tasks, has great attention to detail. Of course, you have to have great computer skills, including web browsing and research. You have to be at least 18 years or older. Now, it says if you have language skills in other languages, specifically French, Spanish, and German, that is a plus, but it is not required. Unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position in the job description, and I could not find anything on Glassdoor, so pay will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.